They thought humanity would kneel. They thought Earth was weak. But they forgot one thing. Humans never give up. Year 2237. After centuries of dreaming, humanity finally reached the stars. We thought we would be welcomed as equals, as friends. But the galaxy had other plans. We were newcomers, fragile and young. Compared to the great empires, our ships were small, our weapons outdated. The Galactic Union expected us to obey. They thought we would simply bow our heads, just like every other species before us. But they were wrong. While others stayed silent, humans asked one dangerous question: why? And that single word made the stars. One day the Dravkan came, a ruthless empire that had conquered 17 worlds. Every species they faced surrendered. Without a fight, without a word, the Dravkan sent their ultimatum to Earth. Kneel, give tribute, send your soldiers to die in our wars. But humanity answered with just 3 words: or watch your world burn. We don't. The Dravkan fleet arrived at Saturn. The galaxy expected us to fall to our knees. Titan Station stood as our last defense. Their ships were massive, blades of black metal cutting through the void. Our fleet was small, fragile, outnumbered 10-1. But humanity does not fight with strength alone. We fight with desperation, with creativity, with fire. We turned asteroids into weapons. We overcharged reactors into traps. We jammed their sensors with signals they could not understand. And when ammo ran dry, we rammed our ships into theirs. To the galaxy, it looked like madness. To us, it was... The battle raged for hours. Ships burned. Hulls cracked. Titan Station shook under constant bombardment. Then came the order: evacuate, retreat, save what lives we could. But one ship stayed behind. The human destroyer, the Dauntless. Its captain sent his final message, broadcast across every channel. Today we may fall, but humanity will rise. And with that, the Dauntless charged forward. Engines burning red, weapons silent, shields failing. It rammed directly into the Dravkan flagship, a ship 10 times its size. The explosion lit the void brighter than a star. The flagship was destroyed. The Dravkan were defeated. Across the galaxy, alien races watched. Species who had lived in chains for centuries saw something new. Someone fought back. Someone said no. Someone refused to kneel. And for the first time, they believed they could stand as well. Humanity did not just save itself. It lit a fire of rebellion across the... And so, in the cold silence of space, one truth was carved forever. Humans may bleed. Humans may fall. But humans never kneel. This was the story of the day humanity refused to kneel. If you enjoyed this tale, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Because in the end, it's always humans for the win.